What's going on today, guys? It is Jacob again, back with another walkthrough video. Today we have the Harris 230 Cruiser. This is a new model that we just got in stock, available, ready for purchase. Very rare to hear those three words combined together, but here she is. Beautiful boat. This one is colored with the white diamond accent with a black powder coated fence. Excellent contrast between colors. It's very visible. You're going to definitely catch people's eye when you're out on the water. This one is paired with a Mercury 115 command thrust 4-stroke outboard. Has a stainless steel back boarding ladder, makes getting in and out of the boat very easy and safe. Let's hop on the boat, show you some more about it. Now that we're up here on the boat, this is going to be the single lounger floor plan. This is going to be Harris's #1 floor plan that they have offered specifically for this back lounger area. This has the option, this backrest has the option of sitting exactly as it sits, as you see here, but we can also lift it up, move it back, and if you wanted to have a lounger in the backside for multiple guests and just have a little bit more of a comfort while you're at the island, out at the lake, watching kids behind the boat, comfort is definitely key. This is also one giant storage compartment, so you have double access entry points, one in the far back as well as one right underneath where this backrest is. As we move forward a little bit, it does have the lounger on the side here for any extra guests that want to lay out, or if you're a little fella like me, this is a perfect lounger for me. Here in the captain's seat, we have the deluxe captain's chair with Simrad Go 7 chart plotter Clarion speaker, so it has excellent sound quality. You're gonna know where you're going and know the depth, never gonna get lost, get you back to the dock safely. This one is also paired with a portable changing station, so it makes getting the kids privately changed in and out of clothes, bathing suits, or use a bathroom if they need to in the privacy underneath the shade. Very traditional forward pontoon seating, wraparound seating, extremely comfortable. This material on the Harris pontoons is very durable, easy to clean. So if you have a bunch of kids out with candy, Cheetos, high C red colored drinks, you can easily wipe these off if they decide to spill on them, so you don't have to worry about it while you're out there. You can just enjoy the day. But if you want to see any more about this boat, come and see me. This is at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. My name is Jacob. You can contact me at 850-819-9106. Thank you, guys.